Hey, welcome back everyone. We got a really cool video today. We're going to be putting in the GReddy Catback exhaust on my 2015 Fiesta ST. So I ordered this from Whoosh, so shout out to Ron Miller for helping me grab one of these. It's a pretty rare, pretty exclusive exhaust. We'll do an install, some sound clips, and just kind of go over it. Alrighty, so now it's time to unbox it. I haven't seen it before, so I'm excited to see what the quality looks like. Alrighty, so let's peel this bad boy open. Go. Sheesh. Look at that. So I also had to buy this kit right here from Whoosh. So it's a couple of gaskets, 2.5 to 3 inch, and then a little adapter flange, and then a couple of extra hardware. So this is in case you are running a 3-inch exhaust to a stock downpipe, or this could be 3-inch downpipe to a stock exhaust. So 2.5 to 3 inch in either way. Alright guys, as you can see, the exhaust quality is absolutely insane. The welds are super good. All of the engraving or etching on there is really good. Even the flanges right here are this really cool kind of cast thing with the GReddy logo on there. Other than that, looks really good. Time to jack up the car and take out the old exhaust. So here's the stock exhaust. It's pretty simple. I do have a resonator delete down there, so that's why the pipe does look a little bit different. You would have a resonator there. And then we're actually gonna have to cut the stock exhaust out. Since I think it's only 1 or 2 pieces, you can't actually fish it over the little torsion beam, the rear suspension right here. So you actually have to cut it somewhere around here so you can take out the stock muffler, and then you're gonna unbolt it and undo the hangers from up there. And a good thing to do when you're trying to get the exhaust off is always kind of pre-soak your, and kind of in the middle there's a little support beam. We're actually gonna have to take that off, which is just 4 bolts, I believe. So we're actually gonna cut it pretty close to about right here, which, as you can see, a little bit past the torsion beam. Good little section, that way we can feed out the muffler, and if we need to re-weld it back on, we can do that. Alright guys, we got it cut right here. So now we just have to take out the hardware and the hangers, and this old exhaust should be out. Alrighty, so now we should be able to take this little guy out. So the muffler's out, now it should be those 2 bolts, the hanger, and that bracket up front. Alright, we got like 15 mil on here, and we're just gonna kind of send it. Worked. Alrighty, so we got the 2 bolts off up on the downpipe, and now it's time to get the hangers out. We may end up actually replacing those studs from the downpipe, but we'll see. free. Originally we're going to try to use this adapter, but I'm not sure how to get the studs out of the actual downpipe. So we're going to use that 2.5-inch gasket and put that up to the exhaust and see if that works. Alrighty, so this is the first piece that we're going to put in. This is the little resonator near the downpipe in the middle of the car. So we're going to put it onto the hangers and then lightly bolting it up, and then we'll start putting the other pieces on. There we go. Alright, now the next piece. Alright, next piece goes on, so I'm going to put the bolts just like that. Let's see if we can kind of, just like that. Gasket. Alright. Over there? No. Oh. Put it onto this hanger. I think that's it right there. There. Right, now it is time for the muffler. So alright, and then we have the final exhaust hanger that we're putting on right now. Go, we're on. The exhaust is on there, looking really good. Got it all tightened up down there. So now it's time to simply wipe it off, and then we'll check for exhaust leaks. Alrighty guys, so exhaust is on there, wiped down, checked for leaks and everything like that. Everything seems to be pretty good. So off the bat, sounds really good, sounds very deep, and sounds very just really good. So I'm excited to go drive it out. It is dark, so I'm gonna get some better clips, and then we'll touch base later. that's it, guys. So it's pretty easy install. You do have to cut out your old exhaust, which is a little bit of a bummer, but it's okay because this exhaust is really, really cool. So if you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Drop a like and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks, guys.